Hello everyone, let me give you a bit of a walkthrough of the work that we've been doing here at B2EL 2.0. So we have been doing some renovation works. One of the first works that we started with was the ceiling. The ceiling was in a bad condition. We had some leaks that we needed to take care of in basically all of the cabins. Panama is a place that has a lot of humidity and mold problems, so we wanted to make sure that our cabins were as much as possible mold free and guarded against humidity in the future. So we changed it to these lovely ceilings. So that was one of the first works that we had done, both for the outside and the inside. I believe the guys did an amazing job, and as well the ladies did an amazing job in choosing the right colors. We also decided to change the colors of the walls. All of the rooms had different wall paintings, so we decided to keep it kind of simple, white, and then have it look more clean and open. For that reason, we also took off all of the papers off of the windows, so we have more of a 180 view from the outside, because the outside is absolutely amazing. So lighter colors, more of a contrast between the tint on the wood, because that was changed as well. In the central cabin, we have a full kitchen, so we changed the countertop to a quartz countertop that has a more of a cleaner look as well. The floor was changed. We had a wooden bamboo floor that was being eaten up by termites, so we needed to have those renewed, and we had that changed completely. This is one of the cabins in where we have the ceiling also done, and then changed the colors once more to this white. Here you're seeing things coming together with all of the colors, with a new ceiling, with a new floor, and with a tint on the wood. As I was telling you before, the views are absolutely breathtaking. So if you come here, each cabin has its own unique view, and I'm pretty sure you will enjoy it. This is the outside of the cabins. We did a bit of landscaping work around, and we also changed the roof, but I'll tell you more about that when you actually see the change in the video. We had a lot of debris, obviously, from all of the renovations, so there was a lot of getting rid of items as well. Safety first, as we say. This was an open concept, but we put those cords there to make sure that we can have a bit of a safety measure for if people want to come with their children, as you can see, and still preserve this open look, because I believe that's one of the beauty of this place and this area. Now we're back outside. Check out our new roof. The roofs were over 15 years old, so now we have a new roof. We still have to do the drain. We're waiting on that a bit. We had all the mattresses deep cleaned. They're completely renewed. We have painted with faith, hope, and love. One of the greatest of these is obviously love, but we have a unique text in each of the cabins. We had our own guys here doing some landscaping with white rocks, and our youth are doing an amazing job. Thank you for tuning in. Like, subscribe, turn on your notification, and support where you can. God bless.